Hi, honey.
Oh, how's your walking?
Oh, the walk was good. Walk was good. I'm getting emails from friends about when they come over here about their visas and stuff,
Oh, really?
and so I'm going to recommend them Filipino visa
Yeah, you're right.
because Filipino visa specializes in K1, CR1 immigration and stuff. So I'm going to email them back,
Yeah.
and they also provide personalized advice to fill-in couples in both Filipino and English.
Mm-hmm.
And Filipino Visa offers travel immigration consultation for all stages of the visa application process, ensuring a seamless experience. With over a decade of experience, their consultants guide international couples through the complexities of the Philippine U.S. immigration process. So we don't only want to help our very close friends, we want to help you, our subscribers.
Yeah.
So please click the link below, submit your info, consult with them, and begin your immigration process.
Yes.
What's for lunch?
Okay, I want to make a sandwich. Is that okay for you?
That's fine. Sounds good. Let's go make it.
Okay. So let's make a lunch, guy. Lunch, guy. No, you have to ano. So we need to buy a bread na. Tapos last Ayan, I'm making a video. So guys, I make a lunch guys. Maybe me is rice and still have a dried fish there. As usual, my favorite dried fish, and Scott is grilled cheese. That's lunch. If you are new here on our channel guys, please subscribe and huh?
I almost missed a step. Lining up for lunch at the door. Do you have your microphone on?
Yes, I'm using
Paper?
this learning for lunch right there. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.
Amen. So Lynn cooked grilled cheese today for me. She cooked little stinky fish and rice for her.
Yes, that's what.
And Ming Ming, you got chicken in your bowl. How come you're not eating it? Ming Ming is frustrated. One of the kids are home from school already. But this is our lunch. I like to eat a light lunch. Lynn likes to eat whatever normally, I guess, and stuff. I usually just like to eat a sandwich for lunch.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's
Let's
eat.
eat lunch. Thank you so much for watching.
Well, we appreciate you guys coming by our videos, giving us thumbs up, comments. It's more fun in the Philippines, right? But yeah, we're having a normal day lunch and stuff. We get some stuff done in the morning with the store, maybe with the editing, with making videos and stuff like that. So other than that, it's been a good day, a good lunch. Thanks to Lynn cooking.
And let's
It's a little burnt, but that's grilled cheese for you. But thanks for stopping by, guys. We appreciate y'all. Hope y'all have a great day and a great night. And please come back and see us again. Leave us a comment. You want to see some other things? Let us know.
Yes, guys, thank you so much. Have and God bless everyone.
God bless.